Morning everybody, Mr. POV here from Oddly Specific POV. Today I'm going to be doing another cleaning video. So a lot of viewers have been requesting another cleaning video after my kitchen and bathroom cleaning POVs. So today I figured I'd save my sunroom for a special project. For the last 2 years or so we've been doing a lot of home renovations around here, and we've been using the sunroom as like a makeshift wood shop. So we've been using the table saw, chop saw, it's been storage, workshop area, so it's an absolute mess. Hopefully after this video it won't be so bad. Alright everybody, it's my sunroom. Let me get a wide open shot from the GoPro. Finally finishing the dining room. Hopefully marks the end of it, at least in the living area where Mrs. POV and I live. So with that being finished a couple weeks ago, it's time to start making some progress cleaning this up. All different types of stuff. The infamous wet vac. If you don't know what that vacuum's from, ask Drew. Time to clean. You know what? This has to go. This silverware is from when we cleaned out the house originally. Boxes, TV stand I don't need. So much stuff. I think what I gotta do is get all the tile stuff in one corner, kind of organize the mess a little. Legendary vacuum. The myth, the legend. Oh, it's so dusty. Alright, making a little bit of progress over in this corner. Starting to get some of the stuff shifted that way. Tile cutter, actual tiles. This is just a molding. Alright everybody, about running out of daylight. Steam, I've been working on it for a couple hours now. I think I'm going to call it a day. Got some other stuff to do. And I also just don't feel like doing it anymore, so there's that too. That's the haul so far. Plus, I brought a couple other things over there too. I ended up sorting a lot of the tile stuff over here. If you're wondering, I had to shut the cameras off because they were overheating. Seems like they only like to run for like a half hour or so. Got the saws over here. So I guess next time I'll tackle this corner, which actually doesn't look that bad. It's a little dusty. Organize some of that plumbing stuff, which should fit in the basement. Figure out what to do with some of these extra supplies, and then finish this corner up. So Still a little scattered, definitely still messy, but made a lot of progress today actually. So hopefully this Sunday might be able to finish it up, get everything else I wanted done. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Morning everybody, Mr. POV here with day 2 of the sunroom cleaning. So I wanted to give everybody a little update for day 2 on where we're at here. So I guess entryway, still have my skateboard, big vacuum. Over here, I got rid of almost all the cardboard. There's a couple pieces left, but that's actually from the last couple days. Still got some supplies. There's a couple cobwebs there, I don't know. You could pick it up. This area is actually almost clean, and then I'll find a spot for the tool cart and organize that. The trike is gonna go outside. This stuff, I gotta find a way to recycle all this paint. And I also gotta find a way to get rid of those tile chunks. In this corner, I have all the tile stuff pretty much packed into maybe a 3 foot by 3 foot section right there. So that's good enough for now. The saws, honestly, I might not have a better spot to put the saws than there for now, so that might have to do. I wanted to get this corner with the installation and the plumbing supplies. That should actually be pretty easy and straightforward to do. So that's good. Yeah, looking pretty decent actually. Making a lot of progress. Shouldn't be too bad. What I do have is a clean bucket. I'll put some of these fittings in and clean this bin up. This stuff is so gross. Cheap brushes. Wrong lid. That's a bummer. Go with the tile stuff. So can that actually? Got a load of this GoPro overheated doing a time lapse. Welcome back everybody. Camera's all cooled off, all charged up. Got a little update while I was gone. So as you can see, we got this corner cleaned out pretty well. Still a little dusty, so I'll have to do another sweep all around. Still have some more supplies over here that I gotta take care of. Not only did we do cleaning, but we also did some organization. This is all plumbing stuff, whether it's copper pipe, copper fittings, you know, all types of plumbing stuff. So that's where we're at for now. I'm gonna try to finish this stuff up, and we'll be looking good. You know what, let's move the ladders and stuff out of the way first. Some extra supplies here that aren't big enough to really use for much. USEABLE, cheap stuff. Sheet of plywood I think I might hold on to. This could at least be used. Great spot for the ladders. I think this is exactly where I want to put all the ladders and stools. Cheap one. Maybe that would go better around here. I think I'm about happy with how everything's positioned over here for storage. Got all the ladders and stools stacked up. Any of the raw materials that I thought were worth keeping in that corner. Plumbing table. The saw's up against the wall. That vacuum's got to be moved. But all the tile stuff in that corner. Time to start tackling that mess. Alright everyone, I think I'm just about finished for today. Probably cleaned for about 2 to 3 hours. Probably about closer to 3 to be honest. But this is what we got done so far. Lots of bags of trash. Walking around in here. Started to do this corner. Really got to go through everything. There's not too much left. Over here, pretty happy with this. Like I said, probably going to stay like this as far as storage goes. This is good, and then here I still need to come up with a solution for some of this stuff. So that about wraps it up for day 2. Back again on day 3 now. Hopefully coming to an end soon, but wanting to get a little progress done on this cleaning, so doing it even at night. I got some lighting. Hopefully everything looks pretty good. So yeah, on the last corner now. You might have noticed the bikes have actually gotten moved. So I put the bikes over here. I actually cleaned them up a little bit after I shut the camera off the other day. Eventually I'm going to put them back in that first corner though, is the goal. But for the time being, they're going to be here. So time to get some cleaning done. This bike needs a tire bed. Wow, look at how dusty that is. That's crazy. I gotta show it on the Canon. Wow. Blown out tire and covered in sawdust. Yes, I am sweeping the walls right now. It's actually cleaning pretty good. Alright, so most of the dust has finally settled, so I think it's time to park the bikes, move some stuff around, and try to finish up. Alright, so just finished up. Feeling pretty happy with the progress that I made. It's been 3 days now, probably close to 10 hours of total cleaning time. Got a lot of progress done. I'm going to show you. So from the entryway, I swept up here. Got my skateboard right there. Got all the bikes parked up. Funny enough, my bike is actually in the worst shape of them all. That's my chair. I made that in 10th grade. Still got it. Still holds my my heavy weight. So vacuumed over there. Swept everywhere. So over here, all cleaned up. Everything swept. Some storage. All the ladders and everything. Over in this corner. We got the plumbing table, some plumbing fittings, garbage bags, broom. That's the tool cart. Still got to organize the tool cart, but at least for now everything's on it. Walking over here, we got the table saw and the miter saw stored there for easy access. You could just roll it out, put it back in. We have all the tile supplies right there. I guess eventually got to get rid of it because we probably don't need it. Some of that paint, I got to find a way to recycle that. And these tile scraps, I need to find a better way to get rid of them. The problem is if you throw them in the trash, they're so heavy. I kind of feel bad for the garbage men just loading up 100 pounds in a pail. And they don't fit in bags because they just rip right through it. Do a little showcase of some of the trash. So yeah, got some trash bags here. I actually threw a bunch out already. This is the finish right here. Pretty good. That pretty much wraps everything up. Pretty happy with how the progress on the storage room is. I think it's pretty realistic progress. No, not everything's like disinfected or perfectly sanitary, but it's a storage room. Now, as far as how long it will stay a storage room, I'm not sure. I've been thinking about maybe making it into a nice hangout room or like a little lounge or something, party room, whatever. I think what would be really awesome is making it into a home gym. Yes, I already have one in the basement, but this would actually be perfect because you have, I think these are 8 or 9 foot ceilings, probably 9 foot ceilings, so you could do a full height pull-up bar or a power rack. You have all the windows for natural light, and there would be enough room. There would be enough room for a bench / power rack over here, some weights, maybe a dumbbell rack, maybe like a curl station, and then over here could probably fit the Peloton and the treadmill, and have a nice all-around workout room. But in the meantime, it's at least not disgusting looking, so I'm happy with that. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the cleaning series, or the cleaning episode. Can't really call it a series, it's just one long video. It feels like a series because I've been working on it for 3 days. Anyway, bye, peace out.